For a nice and tidy yard, you've got to do your edges and cut the grass and weeds around your trees, steps and rocks. And since your mower probably can't reach those places, you'll be wanting a line trimmer to do the job. It's an easy way to make your yard look great. Here's how to choose the right one for you and how to use it safely. From corded to petrol to battery powered and from light to heavy duty, there are a variety of models to choose from. Corded options are handy if you have a really small lawn or patch of grass. They're lighter and need very little maintenance. But mostly, when you're using a line trimmer, you'll be moving around a lot, so you'll want a model that's portable. That's why petrol-powered and battery options are more commonly used. Petrol models come in a variety of cc ratings and engine sizes, and battery models range from 18 volt right up to 56 volt. Choose one depending on the size of your job. If you're doing a lot of work for a longer time, look for a model with a handlebar or a shoulder harness to take the load off. Some models also have brush cutting blades, great for really overgrown areas. So if you know you're going to be needing this option, make sure to select a model with this functionality. Now let's take a look at the line. You can get single or double line. Double line models can handle more growth. Line comes in different profiles such as round, square and star-shaped. Most importantly, make sure you buy the right diameter line for your model. Line that's too fat can slow the engine down, causing wear. So check your manual to see what line your model takes and for specific instructions on how to change the line, as this varies between models. As the line wears out, more is released by either a bump and feed system, where you bump the head on the ground and more line spills out, or by auto feed, where the trimmer automatically feeds out more line as needed. So let's look at the main features of a line trimmer. The good thing about these is they're really simple to use. Now, our throttle's down here. I can't depress that until I push in our safety first, which spins the line down the bottom. And we have two speeds, high and low. Here we have our safety guards to stop anything from spraying up and hitting my body. Also we have our line limiting blade, which chops the line to the right length just in case you spill too much out. Now on some models the front handle can be rotated so the line cuts vertically for when you do your edging. Now when it comes to safety, really important you have some great eye protection, ear protection and gloves. Boots and long pants also for protection. If using corded models, make sure you use an RCD. A good tip is always to put the cord over your shoulder when using it so it doesn't get in the way. Now just make sure you stay clear of any outdoor wiring or pipes. Stay parallel to the ground and get your height right, as you can easily strip your lawn bald if you're too close to the surface. For taller grass, start high then move lower, otherwise the line can wrap around thicker grass stems. Sweep in a steady side to side motion. To cut your edging, flip the handle around so the head is vertical and track along the edge line. Don't hit the base of the hedges or trees, as you can strip the bark and kill the plant. Same with fences, getting too close can damage the post or strip paint off, so pull back if you hear the line slapping against it. When you're done, always give your line trimmer a quick clean with a brush. Now you're armed with a bit more info about line trimmers, just head in store and choose the one that suits. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mitre 10 YouTube channel for more handy content, or click here to watch more now.